This is the Roseselsa Cambrian headphone, which comes with active noise cancellation, high-res audio, Bluetooth version 5.3, game mode, dual device connection, and up to 100 hours of battery life. It doesn't stop there. It also supports micro SD card, which would be useful for people who prefer listening to music without using Bluetooth. Now, these are features you normally would expect for headphones that cost 2 or 3 times more. I have spent some time using it, and in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, including the good and bad and whether it's worth recommending. This video is sponsored by Roseselsa, but everything I said in this video is based on my own opinion. Starting with the price, the Cambrian headphone is sold for around $50. At this price, it competes with brands like Soundcore, Ugreen, Edifier, and Bezos. If you wish to place an order, check the link in my description below. Now, that makes it a competitive category, so Roseselsa had to deliver something special. Now, let's open the box. The packaging is clean and premium for a product in this price range. Inside the box, you get the headphone itself, a USB-C charging cable, a detachable 3.5mm audio cable for wired listening, and the usual user manual. I really like that Roseselsa included the aux cable. A lot of affordable wireless headphones keep this, but having the option to switch to wired mode is useful, especially on flights, older laptops, or even if the battery runs out. And for someone like me who likes editing videos and playing video games, it's very important. It's a small addition, but it makes the headphone much more versatile. If you have watched the video to this point, please give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel to help it get to 30,000 subscribers. Moving to the connectivity, the Cambrian uses Bluetooth version 5.3, which gives you a stable connection and low power consumption. Pairing was quick and easy, and once connected, I didn't experience random disconnection during normal use. One feature I appreciate is the dual device connection. That means you can connect the headphone to your laptop and your smartphone at the same time. For example, you can watch YouTube on your laptop, and when a phone call comes in, the headphone switch automatically. It's one of those features you don't realize you need until when you start using it every day. Another nice addition is game mode. By enabling it through Roseselsa app, the latency is reduced, making audio feel more sync during gaming. If you play games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, or even casual games, you would notice less delay between actions and the sound. It's not a professional gaming headset, but for everyday gaming, it performs surprisingly well. Speaking of the app, the Roseselsa app lets you switch between ANC mode, choose different sound presets like hi-fi, pop, and rock, update the firmware, and choose some button customization. I do wish the app offered a full graphic equalizer instead of the 3 preset sound profile. That would give user more control over the audio, especially if you like adjusting bass or vocals to your preference. Now, let's talk about design and comfort. At first glance, the Cambrian headphone has a modern look that actually reminds me of some premium Sony headphones. Of course, the materials aren't on the same level, but for around $50, the build quality is honestly impressive. The headphones are mostly made of plastic, but they don't feel cheap. The hinge fold nicely, making them easy to carry in your backpack, and overall, the construction feels solid enough for daily use. Comfort is another strong point. The ear cushions are soft, the headband has enough padding, and at roughly 270 grams, the headphones are lightweight enough to wear for several hours without becoming uncomfortable. I also like the fact that the ear cups are fairly spacious. If you like larger ear cups like me, you will probably appreciate the extra room compared to many budget headphones that tend to press against your ear after a while. Now, let's get into the most important part: sound quality. The Cambrian uses 40mm composed wood fiber driver, and honestly, they sound much better than I expected for the price. Starting with the bass, it's deep, punchy, and satisfying without becoming overly muddy. Whether you are listening to Afrobeats, hip-hop, or amapiano, there's enough impact to keep your music exciting. The mids are generally clear, although vocals sit slightly behind the bass in some songs. This is a huge problem, but if you are someone who mainly listens to vocal high music, podcasts, or acoustic tracks, you may not notice that singers don't always sound as forward as they do on more expensive headphones. The treble has plenty of detail, although sometimes it can become a little bright on certain tracks. It's not harsh enough to ruin the listening experience, but if you are sensitive to brighter highs, it's something worth mentioning. Overall, I think the hi-fi sound preset offers the best balance. The pop and rock presets increase the bass, but they also reduce some of the clarity, so I personally kept coming back to the hi-fi mode. Now let's talk about the active noise cancellation. The ANC on the headphone is impressive. It does a great job reducing constant background sounds like fans, air conditions, or bus engine. It won't completely silence the world like flagship headphones from Sony or Bose, but considering the price difference, I think it performs very well. There is also transparency mode, which lets outside sound pass through, so you can hear announcements or have a quick conversation without taking the headphones. Battery life is probably one of the biggest highlights of these headphones. The Cambrian headphone comes with 750 mAh battery capacity, which can last up to 4 days with continuous playback. For most people, that means charging the headphone maybe once every week or even every 2 weeks, depending on how much you use them. That's honestly impressive. Charging is done through USB-C. Now, let's talk about the call quality. For indoor calls in a quiet room, the microphone performs well enough for phone calls, Zoom meetings, or voice chats. However, once you step outside into windy or noisy environments, the microphone quality starts to struggle a bit. Voices can sound slightly muffled and background noise isn't removed as effectively as premium competitors. So if you spend most of your day making important business calls outdoor, this probably isn't the strongest part of the Cambrian headphone. So should you buy the Roseselsa Cambrian? I think these headphones deliver impressive value for money. You get strong battery life, comfortable ear cushions, surprisingly good sound quality, effective ANC, LDAC support, Bluetooth version 5.3, game mode, dual device connection, and a wired listening support. App could be better, the microphones could be clearer outdoor, and ANC still has room for improvement. But honestly, when considering everything you are getting for the price, it's hard to compare too much. If your budget is around $50 and you're looking for wireless headphones that can handle music, videos, gaming, travel, and everyday use, the Roseselsa Cambrian is definitely one of the strongest options available right now. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this headphone. If you have any question, I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.